Glam MC in the place to be. If you like makeup, just wait and see. These videos will teach you something. If you like it, thumbs up it. Subscribe to my channel if you like my stuff. I'll appreciate it greatly. Give it up.
Hello my friends, this is Mariana Crawford and I'm excited because I'm going to be showing you a new Sephora play. This is called the Play Smart by Sephora box, and I have some goodies in here that I want to show you guys. This box, just so if you guys don't know, I usually get every single month a $10 subscription to Play by Sephora, and in that box I get skincare and sometimes like little samples of perfumes, lipsticks, mascaras, eyeliners, and I always have like little samples of these things like this one, and I think they're very handy. They help me so that when my eyeliner runs out I still have samples, and also it lets me try out some of the new products that are coming out from Sephora and seeing if they work for me, if I like them. And a lot of the times I really do like them. Once in a blue moon they'll send out a request if you want to get like a $20 subscription box for higher end products that you can try out from Sephora. And I always get it because the stuff that they give you is stuff that I've always wanted to try, like, you know, the Tatcha mist the last time I got one, and the Tatcha moisturizer that I always wanted to try that I got in my last $20 edition. But this one is a little different. It comes with cards so that it explains everything to you, and I think that's very helpful. With this box, we're getting a class as well on July 15th. Online, we are getting a glitter eyes for real life, a crash course on, you know, how to do your eyes and stuff. And you get 50 points towards rewards for Sephora, so you can use them in store. This is the bag that came in this month's bag. And when you go like this, it turns silver. It's a really fun, beautiful bag, and I like it a lot. Let me see. So yeah, you push it up and it turns silver. It's so cute. I don't know. I'd use all the bags that I get, like either for giveaways or to give my niece little goodies and stuff like that. I don't know. I always use it.
And I'm gonna try out 2 products today and then review the rest of them tomorrow. So this is past me for my future video. So I'm gonna try out the banana cream. This is the Banana Bright Eye Cream, and I'm gonna try out the Grande MD Lash Enhancing Serum. So I'm gonna try these 2 out. I'm gonna show you what they are like. This in full size is $38, and this in full size is $65. This more visible lashes 97%, improved lash appearance 97%, healthier looking lashes 94%, longer looking lashes 91%. So I'm very excited to try this one out. And then I'm gonna do the eye cream first. From Ole Hendrickson Banana Eye Cream Truth. It comes with a little pamphlet inside, but I have a card here that I want to go over with you. This comes with the box. So Ole Hendrickson Banana Brightening Eye Cream, a brightening eye cream that targets fine lines and disguises dark circles with this yellow hue inspired by banana powder. When? Use in the morning before makeup or at night before bed. How? Apply to under eye area with a ring finger. This brightening eye cream is a perfect base for under eye concealer, as essential, especially if any glitter travels south throughout the day. So hack your eye cream. This is some really great tips actually that I want to try today. Dab onto a cotton swab to clean up any eye makeup gone astray. Store the jar in the refrigerator for double the depuffing action. Pat gently using your ring finger to avoid tugging at delicate skin. Use it to defend against signs of aging around your lips and forehead. So you can put it on your eye and then around your lips and forehead too. Fun fact, the pale yellow pigment in the in this eye cream was inspired by makeup artists who use banana powder as their secret weapon to disguise dark circles on set. Gently pat eye cream in these areas, right under the eye and on the side over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it out. Ooh, it's nice and thick. So I'm gonna dab it under my eye and right here. With my ring finger. And right here. And I'm gonna put some on my forehead. And around my mouth. Alright. First impressions, it's a nice thick formula, very hydrating. It sinks right into the skin. It feels really good. It smells a little bit like it's supposed to be, it's banana. The banana, what do you call it, color, but it smells a little bit like oranges for some reason. So I really like it a lot. It's $30. I would totally buy that. It's Ole Hendrickson. I have like their cleansers and everything, and I think that their brand is very, very good. And I would definitely buy that eye cream for sure. This nail polish, this KL polish from Kathleen Lights. This is a Princess Penny. I decided to wear this one today. I didn't want to go pink or purple or like the hunter green that I really like. I just wanted to do something a little bit more gold. Alright, and for this, let me talk a little bit about this one before I put it on. I know exactly how to put it on, but I want to show you really quick. So for Grande Cosmetics, Grande Lash MD Lash Enhancing Serum, it says when. Use at the last step before bed. Apply to lash line with included brush. Why? Glitter can steal your lashes thunder. So we included this serum to help you grow your own, especially since extensions can be expensive. So make your lashes do the most. Remove all eye makeup before application. Wipe excess product off the brush. Brush along the skin closest to the lashes from the inner corner to out. Use every night before bed until it's gone. Don't forget to take a photo before use and again in 6 weeks to compare. So I'm gonna do a screenshot first, right? And then compare it in 6 weeks. This is the before. Okay, so do the other side. Not as easy as you may think. Okay, so that's the number 1 application. We'll see how it goes, and I will keep you guys posted on this product to see what it's like after 6 weeks, and we'll continue with my video.
So the first thing that I'm going to be trying out, oh, and just so you know, this bag is $20, but it retails for $68. So everything that in here is like a $68 value. First thing that I have here is the waterproof contour eye pencil 12-hour wear in black. And I love this pencil. I put it on my waterline and it stays put all day long. It's really good. It goes on really smooth and stays put all day. It's available in 20 shades, and I have this one. This one is, what color is this? Love Affair. It's a shimmer, and it looks really nice on the waterline because it has like a little wet look effect. But the black one is awesome. I really like the black one a lot. So I'm going to put that on my waterline. Okay. Okay, so it's really, really dark. It's waterproof. It stays on 12 hours and it really, really works. I highly recommend this product. It's from Sephora Collection. And this one, it shows you a little insert of how you can do the eyeliner. If you wanted to, you can use it morning, evening, anytime. Black liner is timeless. How? Apply to lid directly from pencil, smudge with finger. I don't really want to smudge with finger, but I just wanted to do on my waterline. Why? Black eyeliner is a staple in all kinds of looks, but this pencil matte finish is the perfect contrast to the glittery goodness in the rest of your beauty book. I'm going to put a little tiny bit on the side over here. And try to smudge it. Oh, that's nice. I like that. And that is what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and start with the mascara. Not really. I'm going to use the Stila. This is the Stila Kitten Karma. I do have a full size of this, and I really enjoy this Stila. It's a Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in Karma. You can use this morning, evening, anytime. Who needs a reason to sparkle? How? Apply with included wand or eyeliner brush. This liquid eyeshadow is a true glorious glitter, but its water infused formula dries down quickly for total control and minimal fallout. And it really does help with the fallout. One of the reasons why I love it so much is because this is the little tiny size and it has different colors. You can choose from, it has a rose gold one, Kitten Karma, Diamond Dust, Smoldering Satin, Gold Goddess, Smoky Storm, and Molten Midnight. These are the shades that you can actually buy. And I'm going to use my full-size one. And I'm going to put a little tiny bit on the inner side of my eye. See the difference between the two? And it just needs a little time to dry down completely, but when it dries down, it doesn't budge. And it doesn't give you fallout. It just amplifies those glitters. It's so stunning. It's like, I can't even right now. This is so beautiful. I haven't worn it in a while and I miss it. It's so, look how beautiful that is. And I need it to dry down a little bit, so I'm gonna stop moving. Yeah, buddy. Okay. Okay, so next is the Bad Girl Bang. In my goodie bag, I have here my Bad Girl Bang. This one is an item as well that I do have, and I really like it. The thing is that this one, it separates your lashes and makes them long, but it doesn't give you that thickness. So if you like thickness in your lashes, then I don't know, maybe you won't like this, but I really like it. It just gives a nice separated long look to your lashes. It's really pretty. And I love the name Bad Girl Bang from Benefit. Look at the difference between this eye and the other. And my lashes look really nice. Last night I tried the the Grande lashes, MD lashes. So you put like a little bit alongside your lash line, and it just gives your lashes more volume, makes them look bigger, better, longer, makes them grow faster. Lash serums are really, really helpful. If you have little lashes, I would highly recommend lash serums. All right. And the bristles for this they're like little rubbery spikes. You can get really close to the lash line. Last but not least, we have the lip product. This is from Bite Beauty. Bite Beauty is an awesome brand. I have a whole bunch of lipsticks from Bite Beauty. The lipsticks are very creamy. They last all day. They're beautiful. So this one is Prismatic Pearl Multi-Stick and Rose Pearl. Morning, when you can use it, morning, evening, anytime. Glitter knows no bounds. How? Apply to lids, cheeks, or lips directly from tube or with finger. Wow. This stick is the perfect introduction to sparkly lids with its supple shimmer, on-trend shade, and easy application. It's a multi-stick. I didn't know that it was a multi-stick where you can use it on your eyes or your cheeks. That's pretty cool. The holographic hint, smoky sparkle. So you can put it on your lids. This is showing you what you can do. I'm gonna try it. Oh, it gives it a nice like dual chrome type of look. Oh wow, that's pretty. It's very different. This is what it looks like. It looks like brown and pink and purple. Beautiful. It gives a nice little sheen of purple, but at the same time it has brown in it. It's really pretty. All right, so that is all I have. That is all I have for my bag today. I hope you guys enjoyed this show and tell with my new smart play. If you do enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.